For my convenience, I'm gonna change edit field. Edit field means I'll be confusing, so I'll change the names of this. This one is sum. Okay, this one as SUB. Okay, subtraction. This one as multiplication, MUL. How I am changing that? Just double click on the field that you want to edit and then do the changes. Division, DIV. Okay, so I'll be seeing the sum result here, subtraction result here, and then multiplication result here, and division result here. Okay, now another thing, what I supposed to do, I need to feed the data. For suppose I decided that this is a 2 variable calculator, so I require 2 values now. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to take another field, 2 more fields. Okay, so when we are having many components, then we will be confused with the names. So according to, for my convenience, I'm changing it as A, means where A value to be entered, capital A. I'm just giving this as capital B with the value of second input B. Okay, so I can feed my A value and B value here. Then what I supposed to do? I need to take push button. Okay, so I'll change it as calculate or start, whatever it is. Write whatever you want. I'm just changing it as start. Let's enter. Okay, fine. So these are the components I'm going to use. Now I'm going to write program inside my start function, and I'm going to access all these components through their tag names. Okay, how I'm going to do that? See, right click, callbacks, click on add button push function callback. So straight away it will take to that function. Okay, now initially what I'm going to do means I require a value. A equal to whatever value I entered here. Okay, whatever value I entered here, that should go into A. Whatever value I entered here, that should go into B. Now I'm gonna access the value from this edit field and this edit field. How I supposed to write a code for that?